If you are wondering if we have eSIM on the Xiaomi 17T, then the answer is yes and no. It actually depends where you purchase the phone. There are some regions, unfortunately, where you can purchase Xiaomi 17T and not have eSIM. Unfortunately, it's hard to find the exact list of countries that do not have eSIM included. And most likely you just want to go to the Xiaomi's website, check out the Xiaomi 17T page, and make sure that you have your region selected. I mean, Xiaomi has different websites for different regions, so make sure that you have your region selected, and then you should be able to check if eSIM is supported or not. In my case, this is the European version. If I go to mobile networks in settings, then in here we have the option to turn on eSIM. So yes, I can actually activate the eSIM on this phone. I can turn on eSIM, I can scan the eSIM QR code, and I can just use eSIM on this phone without any issues whatsoever. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.